Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are having a wonderful day today and that you enjoyed your 3-day vacation. And now you are ready to begin working. So for today's life skill lesson, boys and girls, we're going to be talking about laundry. Can anybody tell me what is laundry? Or have you seen someone do laundry? Yes, awesome answers. Laundry is when we put clothes to wash and dry. And yes, we do see people doing laundry on a daily basis at home. It could be your mom or your sister, your dad, your grandmother. Everybody has to do laundry, boys and girls. And today we are going to be talking about steps on how you can do laundry. Laundry is for everybody, not only adults, but kids can do laundry as well. Of course, with the help of an adult. So let's begin. Doing the laundry. I can do laundry. First, I carry the laundry basket to the washer. So we all have a basket and we all put our dirty clothes in that basket. So the first step to do laundry is to take that basket with all the dirty clothes to the washer. Then I sort the clothes and put them into the washer. So when we sort clothes, boys and girls, we usually sort them by color. Sometimes it's the darks, the whites, and maybe the towels. We cannot wash everything together because then we might have like a white t-shirt turn pink. And just think, or when we wash towels with clothes, the little particles of the towels can get into our clothes and that's no fun. So first we sort and then we put it in the washer. Afterwards, we measure the soap and add it to the washing machine. We usually, everybody has to buy detergent and we have to measure depending on how much clothes you put in the washer, and then we add it to the washing machine. Then it says, press the appropriate button on the machine to start the cycle. So a lot of our washers and dryers have like little sets and they have different things that we have to set depending on what we're washing. Sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's delicate, sometimes it asks if you want cold water or hot water. You need to press the appropriate button depending on what you are going to wash, boys and girls. When the washer is done, we put clothes into the dryer. So once our clothes is finished washing, we have to put it into the dryer so it can dry because it's going to be super wet. Some people don't use dryers. Boys and girls, sometimes people like to hang the clothes outside. But the majority of the people use dryers nowadays. When the dryer is done, put the clothes into an empty basket. Now it's time to fold and iron the clothes. Finally, I can put away all the clothes into my closet and dresser. Now we are going to be watching a life skills video on laundry, boys and girls.
This week's life skills video will be teaching how to do laundry. Step 1. Gather your dirty clothes and put them in your laundry hamper. Step 2. Divide your laundry into loads. I separated mine into 3 groups: towels, darks, and whites. Step 3. Take your laundry to the laundry room. There, you'll open the washer door, put the first load in, and close the door. Make sure you close it tight. Step 4. Grab your laundry detergent. You can use any type that you want. Step 5. Open your laundry detergent dispenser and make sure to fill it to the line. Your dispenser may look different than this one, and if it does, you can ask an adult how to fill yours. Step 6. Choose a setting for your laundry load and press start. The setting that you pick will depend on the load of laundry that you're doing. Step 7. When your washing machine has stopped, take your wet clothes from the washer and then put them in the dryer. And close the door tightly. Step 8. Choose a setting to dry your clothes and press start. Again, the setting that you pick will depend on the load of laundry that you're doing. Step 9. Once the dryer has stopped and your clothes are all dry, put them in your hamper. Step 10. Repeat these steps until all loads of laundry are done, then fold. Make sure to check out our video on how to fold clothes. Thanks for watching!
Okay, awesome, boys and girls. So now we're going to review everything from doing the laundry. So step number 1, we know that we put the laundry in the washer. Step number 2, we add detergent and select the cycle. Step number 3, then we add the wet clothes to the dryer. Step number 4, when done, fold the clothes. And step number 5, once the clothes is folded, we put the clothes away, whether it's in the dresser or in the closet. And this is our lesson on doing laundry, boys and girls. Do not forget to review this. We will be answering some questions on doing the laundry tomorrow. So please review this at home with your parents. That way in tomorrow's assignment, you all will do amazing. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact any of your teachers. We are always here to help. Once you are done, you are good to go. Go check your channel to see where you are supposed to go today. Other than that, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye, boys and girls. See you here back tomorrow.